In today's UVEX X showcase, I have the pleasure of introducing you to the new product launches from our UVEX 3 Quattro product family. The UVEX 3 Quattro is our flagship product for heavy-duty applications. It is the perfect companion for demanding tasks, for example in manufacturing, civil engineering, and structural engineering, but also in landscaping and gardening. In these areas of application, safety shoes protect their wearers against a maximum of thermal and mechanical influences. The hydrophobized smooth leather reliably protects against premature wear and the penetration of splashing water or rain. The fiberglass reinforced plastic toe cap not only offers a weight advantage, but also provides additional protection against uncomfortable cold inside the shoe. The integrated puncture-resistant midsole is made of ultra-thin spring steel and provides reliable protection against penetration. The self-cleaning PU outsole profile completes the shoe. The ergonomic outsole is especially resistant to chemicals and cuts. Additionally, the sole technology impresses even in cold conditions with excellent slip resistance and is extremely abrasion resistant. The UVEX Bionomics design optimizes the interaction between your body, the shoe, and your environment based on biomechanical design elements. In addition to comprehensive protection and functionality, our development of the UVEX 3 series focused especially on anti-fatigue, maximum comfort, and lightness. The innovative UVEX IQ Energy Planet midsole material, containing up to 10% recycled PU from our own production, redefines cushioning and energy return and has an anti-fatigue effect. Reflective elements on the side of the shoe increase visibility in poorly lit work environments, thereby underscoring our brand mission of protecting people. For cold winter days, the high boot versions with special winter lining offer you the ideal protection. All models are available in sizes 36 to 52 and in 3 different widths.